Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick and easy guide, I will show you how to permanently delete your JD Sports account. Let's walk through the steps together. So JD Sports does not offer a direct delete account button on their website or app. To delete your account, you will need to contact their customer service team and request removal manually. To request account deletion, send an email to customercare@jdsports.co.uk. Okay, let me open my mailbox real quick and then tap on compose. So let me fill up the recipient's address. customercare@jdsports.co.uk. So make sure your email includes your full name, the email address linked to your JD account, and a clear request to permanently delete your account and all personal data under GDPR. Another option can be to use live chat or phone support. If you prefer, you can also contact JD Sports via their live chat on the website or by calling their customer care team. Just ask them to delete your account and they may verify your identity first. Step 3 can be to wait for the confirmation. Once your request is received, JD Sports typically responds within a few business days. You will get an email confirming whether your account has been removed. And that's it. That's how you delete your JD Sports account. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.